Welcome back to Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap, Part 5B. Let's talk about buttons. HTML provides us a standard button, which we can access through a button tag. However, if we give those buttons a class name of btn for button, we can start accessing Bootstrap styling. With just that initial btn, we'll get a gray rounded corner button, but Bootstrap has way more than just that. If we go to Bootstrap's documentation, we can see all the examples of buttons they offer, and also grab the code for it while we're here. Using btn-primary along btn for a class name will give us a blue button, or if we wanted that yellow, we could do btn-warning. And if you thought that that was enough, Bootstrap offers more. You could do that same idea, but just with an outline of a button. You could change the size of your button with a large button or a small button, a block level button that'll span the width of its parent element, and buttons that actually interact with being clicked on. As of right now, Bootstrap doesn't have any built-in icons, but you could go to icons.getbootstrap.com and take a look at a new project that they're working on. Here they have a bunch of icons that you can choose from that are SVG, which means that they are vector graphics, so they scale without any loss of resolution. They have a lot of things to choose from, and you can get started by following their installation directions. And that's it for Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap, Part 5B. Come back for Part 5C, where we'll talk about using images.